It's the demand of the nature. And everybody feels it if he peeps within his own nature, within his own heart, that every human soul has been bestowed with the discrimination and differentiation between evil and good. Man knows by his very nature what is good, what is evil. He need not be taught. To speak the truth is good. To tell a lie is evil. Everybody knows it. That is why it's the universal truth. All religions, all systems of ethics, all philosophies, everywhere in the world, you won't find any single person who would say that telling the truth is evil and telling a lie is some virtuous thing. These are the, universal truths. To fulfill an agreement and promise is good. And to go back on your words is evil. It's known and accepted throughout. All humanity knows it. All humanity accepts it. To have good behavior with your neighbors is good. To be perturbing to your neighbors is bad. Everybody would accept. So actually, the basic ethical values are known to human nature. Every man knows it by his very nature. And that has been given by Quran in the last, part of the Quran. وَنَفْسٍ وَمَا سَوَّاهَا فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا. This human nature, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has finished it, has produced it, has developed it, and then He has put in it through ilham, through sort of inspiration, the fujur and taqwa. Every human mind, every human soul knows what is good, what is bad, what is evil, what is good.